Yes, of course, it's very interesting, especially for the development projects. We see 42 million people employed in Germany. That's a huge purchase power, and there are no changes foreseeable. And therefore, we can calculate these projects in detail, and that's a quite advantage, especially for Germany. And so we see a lot of investments in turnkey products, but also the opportunity to start new development projects. And that's an advantage, especially for the German market.
Clearly, the stability of the German market is a key factor. It's not the only one, but it's a key factor when they have to decide between Germany, France, Spain, any other country. The first parameter to make decision is stability, and for this, Germany is the best.
And is obviously you're also bringing French investors into the German market, and is that highlighted because there's a lack of political stability at the moment in France? Is that why they're looking towards Germany? Is that political risk part of it?
Yeah, I mean, they are not afraid that tomorrow there will be a revolution in France, but being on the German market is a good way to diversify the risk and to bring stability to portfolios.
Well, for the kind of business that we are doing, for these opportunistic investments that we're doing, you could say that Germany is a bit too stable for that, honestly speaking.
Yeah.
We really like to go into these opportunistic situations, but as Germany, from an economic perspective, is that stable, a lot of foreign capital is coming to the German market, investing into opportunistic situations to prices that we as Corestate are not willing to pay for these situations. We had 10 billion euros of foreign investments only in Q1 2014. This is really a lot of money coming to the German market, and that's the reason why we will focus on some things that we really do think that is still making sense in Germany. But we're, as opportunistic investors, we are looking at markets that are economically stable, but where prices are, let's say, more reasonable than in Germany at the moment.